Bernina presser feet are a precision made. When we attach the feet, they attach so solid there is no movement whatsoever. So you notice there's a little cone at the top. If you take your right hand and come under it, there's a little lever to the side on the back that you can flip up and it releases the foot. That also means that you can attach the foot with one hand and even bring that lever down with one of your fingers. And do you see that it just solidly attaches to the machine? Now let me show you one more thing about the feet that have the special little eye off to the side. So this optical eye will actually let the machine know that I have a foot on that can stitch a full 9mm wide. Without a foot on right now, if I pick a zigzag and then try to make it all the way wide, it actually turns red, indicating that it doesn't think that there's a foot on that can handle that, which would have been true. Let me go ahead and clear that out. If I had this foot on, this is my overlock foot, I just pulled it out for reference, as I slide it on and I go ahead and pick a stitch, it won't let me stitch past the 5.5mm that this is capable of doing. When I pick that stitch, even it comes up at 4.5mm. I'm able to do that. But as soon as I put a foot on that has that eye, it can tell the machine that it could actually go up to the full 9mm. I've also had, if I ever have fabric that covers up that eye, it rarely happens, or if it gets really, really dusty with certain fabrics, you know what I'm talking about, is it will actually cover it up. Do you see how it's jumping from 9mm to 5 if I've covered it up? So it is something to just be aware of, that is an indication of how wide a stitch you can do. So if you have a narrow foot, it will not break a needle, and if you have a wider foot, it will let the stitches stitch to their fullest width.